Connectors ou linking words. Les connecteurs des phrases ou bien les mots de liaison. There are different connectors in English grammar. Each connector has different use in the sentence. Donc, il y a de différents connecteurs ou bien mots de liaison en anglais, mais chaque connecteur, chaque mot de liaison a sa propre utilisation au sein de la phrase. Exemple. But as a connector. But, en français, c'est mais. Example. I wanted to go out. I am tired. I wanted to go out. I am tired. Je voulais sortir. Je suis malade. Je suis fatigué plutôt. I am tired. Je suis fatigué. I wanted to go out, but I am tired. I wanted to go out, but I am tired. Je voulais sortir, mais je suis fatigué. Next. However. En français, c'est cependant. Example. They played the match. It was raining. They played the match. It was raining. Ils ont joué le match. Il était en train de pleuvoir. It was raining. However, they played the match. It was raining. However, they played the match. Il était en train de pleuvoir. Cependant, ils ont joué le match. In spite of, another connector. In spite of, un autre connecteur. In spite of. En français, c'est malgré. Ou bien même si. Example. She prepared for the exam. She didn't succeed. She prepared for the exam. She didn't succeed. Elle a bien préparé pour l'examen. Elle n'a pas réussi. In spite of her preparation, she didn't succeed. In spite of her preparation, she didn't succeed. Malgré sa préparation, elle n'a pas réussi. Ou bien elle n'a pas réussi malgré sa préparation. Okay. In spite of her preparation, she didn't succeed. Ou bien she didn't succeed in spite of her preparation. Same meaning, le même sens. Next. Despite. Un autre connecteur. Despite. En français, c'est en dépit de. C'est le même sens. In spite of, despite, pratiquement la même chose, la même signification. Example. He was sick. He went to school. He was sick. He went to school. Il était malade. Elle est allée à l'école. Despite his sickness, he went to school. Despite his sickness, he went to school. Or he went to school despite his sickness. Donc, despite his sickness, malgré sa maladie, ou bien en dépit de sa maladie, il est allé à l'école. Ou bien il est allé à l'école malgré sa maladie, ou bien en dépit de sa maladie. Okay? Note here. Observation. In spite of, plus noun. Despite, plus noun. In spite of her preparation, you have to seek the noun out of the verb to prepare. Prepare, verb. Preparation, noun. Donc, il faut chercher à insérer le nom juste après in spite of. Okay? La préparation, in spite of her preparation. La même chose, le même, same thing, despite. Despite plus noun. Despite his sickness. Sick, adjective. Sickness, noun. Despite his sickness. You have to insert a noun, head of, in spite of, and despite. Donc, il faut chercher à insérer le nom. Juste après despite et juste après in spite of. Okay? It's important, c'est important. Okay? That's all for today. Wish you good luck. See you in the next coming grammar lessons. Wish you good luck.